My name is Strazdins. I graduated with a degree in electrical construction and maintenance electrician. I currently work for Radec Electric. I wanted to do electrical work because the typical college experience wasn't really what I was looking for, right? I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so the trades really stuck out to me. Alfred provided me with a great opportunity. I mean, everything that I learned in class, I was able to, do in the field, right? A lot of the work that we do in the classroom is very real, right? So day in, day out, I'm using things that I learned in the classroom. My favorite part of Alfred was hanging out with my friends, to be honest. But my second favorite part was the teachers. All the teachers here are excellent. In specific, Mr. Kelly is a great teacher. All the instructors are awesome here. I definitely felt prepared. I mean, there is a lot of differences, doing in classroom versus in real life, but this is as close as you're gonna get to the real thing. The electrical field as a whole is forever growing, right? There's always new things. There's always new technology that's coming about. New technology is forever expanding on those same principles that you learned from day one. It feels great to come back to Alfred. It really feels full circle. I mean, I went here, I did everything these students are doing, and I'd love to come back to Alfred to recruit. Alfred State has helped me connect my career, and now I'm wired for success.